Dublin from my name is Imad Valentin Osaradio. I am a network engineer that has been charged with building a network infrastructure that is highly secured and segregated for Dublin Pharmaceutical Limited. This is the overview of the project. As the project says, it said the Dublin Pharmaceutical Limited PL is expanding and they want to collaborate with their partners, which is located in Dockland of Dublin. Okay. And some of the overview are on the notes you can see. You open it. It said they are establishing and they are collaborating with their partner. Collaborating with their partner. Has three departments. This W Pharmaceutical has three departments currently. They have 1,000 users, and 1,000 users is separated into six floor, which is 100 users, 100 users, 200 users, 200 users. So you can see it has three departments. The research and development, they have 300 users. The manufacturing has 550 users. The marketing and sales 300 users. My projects, the projects I've done so far in the projects, I'm going to list a few of them. I've read about the network infrastructure. Network infrastructure has to do with the physical infrastructure, software infrastructure, all you need to build the whole network, including the some of including the router, the switches, which are the hardware part of the infrastructure. And we have also read about network cabling. Cabling is very important in networking. We have the copper cable. You can also call them the twisted pair. We have the fiber optic. You can also call them the glass fiber. The copper is the most used form of cabling in networking. And this is used for horizontal connections. It has a limited distance you can use it. It's 100 meters that you can use it. You can only use for connection that is within 100 meters. Then we have the fiber optic. The fiber optic has two types. We have the single node, and we have the multiple node. The single node goes a longer distance than the multi node, but the multi node is more powerful and it's used for shorter distance. They also have what we call the coax. The coax is the old form of cable, copper cable. It's like the TV area antenna. That's the coax. I've also read about the packet tracer. The packet tracer is a simulation tools for simulating network connections before you do the actual connection. I've also subnetting. Subnetting is used to separate network to smaller units. We have the VLAN. The VLAN is to separate network as well. It's a visual LAN where you separate everything. Like 300 users is different from. We have V VIOP. The VIOP is the voice over IP. The voice over IP is used to transmit voice signals into network signals before it sends to the receiver. We have network access control. Network access control now it's used for controlling the network. Used for controlling the network. Used for giving authentication and authorization to devices. We have the port. The port is very potent. Some example of the port is port 25, port 80, port 443. We have the DHCP server. The DHCP server automatically allocate IPs to a computer, to devices. The DNS is the phone book of the internet. It gives name of address instead of IP. Then next week, what I will do, I'm going to work on the physical design and the logical design. As you can see, the physical design has this, and the logical design has to do with the IP and reading the IP addresses and everything. Yeah, that's all I've done for now.